go ahead and pull your power a little bit there because we're high. So like, maybe 200 RPMs will get you down. And then go, turn out a little bit to the north there. Because if you try to cross it right here, you're going to get falling into it really quick, right? Oh, okay. So, into the railroad tracks. So what we're going to do is the S turn, but we're going to go back to the west, right? So, you see the railroad tracks over there? It's kind of hard to see them, but they run on over, it looks like a tree line, but they're actually railroad tracks there. Okay. So, this will be our clearing turn. We're looking for any traffic up here.
And we got a tower ahead.
Yep. So, there's a tower over there, but we'll be fine. Where that water tower's at, just try to aim for that point. Want to start your turn back to the south now. These ridges really just jack it. I mean, wind comes across these ridges, it either dips down and creates a bunch of turbulence. Kind of amazing that you would think it'd stay down low, but it doesn't. It has that effect even up high.
The water tower is our
right there. That'd be our point. Going in there. So we cross perpendicular to the railroad tracks.
Will be our right turn out southeast down on 4,000.
Add some power, so your power's down, so 2300 should be good for this. And ease us back up to 1600, so you probably add a little bit more power. Today, I guess today's like the day I'd probably tend to fluctuate my power a little more. See your railroad tracks there?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, I think just right ahead.
Right here? No, right here. There you go. So cross that. Now roll into it. Roll into the turn. Right. No, to the right. Sorry. Oh. So it's steepest here, and then you're going to bring the bank out. Okay. So as you come around here and you start losing the ground speed. So. So again, if you kind of can picture looking down those railroad tracks, quarter mile or half mile out, maybe a quarter mile out, and then, So you can't bring it too steep though, because what will happen is you'll end up crossing, it'll be level before you cross the tracks. There you go. So you bring that bank out, watch your pitch. Alright, so we'll wings level rise across the tracks. This is going to be shallow bank to shallow bank. So, there you go. So this one you have to be a real shallow bank, you'll see what happens. Too steep, you're going to end up going right. You're going to be right on top of it.
So that next line will be our turn in.
I'm more worried about we get it.
Look the traffic, TBM 850, actually Sierra is making a right cross on departure southeast down on the 4,000.
Now your bank angle's going to increase, right? Because you're going to get blown right into those tracks. So try to keep it about 30 degrees of bank the best you can. So if we're more than that, we're too tight to our line. There you go. Now it's going to be steep bank, roll over, right as you cross, roll over. And we're not quite perpendicular there. We got a little bit more turn to make, but that's fine. Roll it over to steep, and then start bringing the bank out as you come around here because your ground speed's slowing. Look at your pitch. There you go. See that? See how much? Yeah. So bring it around a little bit. That's the thing. It's like you're supposed to be steep bank and then slowly decreasing, right? So you shouldn't really ever increase, but a day like today, you really kind of can't help it. Yeah. That's power there. And not as big of a pitch up, okay, just a slight, there you go. Yeah, just bring your power in, because we're so low. Add some power. There you go.
Find myself in a death grip on the yoke.
Yeah, that's the other thing, is they tend to over control it that way. Well, we're not quite saying we're not perpendicular to the tracks, so yeah, well, next time just bring it around. So now we're going to be perpendicular too soon. Okay, so what happened there is you didn't roll your bank out quick enough, so when the bank should be coming out even as you right up you cross it, okay? And then this one, the bank should be real shallow and then starting to increase, but it's going to increase more as our ground speed is going to increase a lot more as we come around into the wind with the ride. Watch your pitch. The airplane slowing down is kind of all those, being tuned to all those things that you have there that are telling you the airplane's slowing down, so that tells you your pitch has changed, you have adjusted the power. There you go, try to make this perpendicular to the tracks there. There you go, bring it around. Watch your pitch. Yeah, big nose down here, so pitch up, pitch up. Now we rolled in too much bank, right? So now we're perpendicular again before. So we had a little bit too much bank. There you go, roll it in. It's steep bank here, and then rolling it out, okay? Right as you cross, it's steep bank on the downwind side. Watch your pitch. And then you should be rolling out here. Roll your bank out, pitch up. So we're getting way low. Go. So not just make your changes a little more subtle, okay? Because you're doing these big excursions in pitch. So just hold up a little bit, right about there. There you go. That's a little bit better. There you go. So now we're almost back to perpendicular there. Shallow bank here, so it's real shallow. Pitch up a little bit, just a hit right there. That's it. That's all you need. Add a little bit of power, a little low on the RPM, and then start. There you go. Just slight change. You're increasing bank, but it's not at a real rapid rate. I mean, and relax your grip as best you can. Like try to do 2 fingers and a thumb, and then that'll hopefully help you with your pitch excursions there. Because I think you look up and you're a little bit low and you're pitching way up, and you look up and you're a little bit high and you're pitching way down. Can you kind of sense that we need to roll see how you need to roll into it because you're getting blown into that point? There you go. There you go. Good job. And one more turn around to the west. This is steep bank again, so roll it over to about 30 degrees of bank. And then as you get to this point, now you start rolling it out, okay, because your ground speed's starting to decay.